Hi, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at how to solve a system of equations using substitution method. Okay, so let's begin. So this is what we have here. We have y is equal to 4x minus 8, and y is also equal to 2x. So since y is equal to both of these, each one of these are equal to each other. So to solve this, all you have to do is set them equal to each other. And you got 2x is equal to 4x minus 8, and it doesn't matter which side you put the 4x minus 8 on, but I like to have it so that the variable stays to the left. Okay. All right. So now we're going to subtract 4x on both sides, and once we do that, now we have 2x, negative 2x is equal to negative 8. And then we're going to divide by negative 2. And x is equal to a positive 4. Alright, so we're almost there. We got everything we need for x. So x is going to be a positive 4, but we still need the y. So how do we get y? Well, we're going to substitute this back in. We're going to take this and plug it in for x right here. Alright, now can you plug it in the first function? Yes. But this has less work to it, so let's just do that one. So you got y is equal to 2 times 4. So y is equal to 8. Let's write this over here so you can see that as well. 2x, we're plugging in this 4 in for x. See that? So y is equal to 8. And that's it. That is the substitution method for level 1. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.